In this video, I will show you how to make dotted line in Illustrator. We begin in a new Illustrator document, and the first thing we do is go to the left-hand toolbar and we click on the pen tool. Now we click on any point on our artwork, and if we want the dotted line to be a straight line, we click on the second point and release. In my case, I am going to create the dotted line along a curved line, and to do this, when we click on the second point, we keep the mouse button pressed and drag to adjust the curvature of the line, and only then we release to set it. After that, we press the escape key, and with the regular selection tool, we click outside the artboard. Then we select the curved line and go to the window menu. In this drop-down menu, we click on stroke, and then we click on these three lines and select show options. Next, we check the dashed line box, but we still do not have the dotted line. First, in the dash fields, we enter 0, and in the gap fields, we enter 80 for example. In the width section, we set the thickness, in my case 50. We select the middle icon, and that's it.